Today we are going to convert the standard form of a quadratic function into the vertex form. So let's dive right into it and convert f of x equals 2x squared minus 12x plus 22 into the vertex form. The first step is to factor out the coefficient 2 of x squared, because the x squared has to stand alone by itself. So we are going to divide 2x squared by 2, which is x squared. Negative 12x divided by 2 is negative 6x, and 22 divided by 2 is 11. This pre-step is very important, so always make sure that you have a form where you only have x squared and not x squared with something in front of it. The next step is the most important one, which is also called completing the square. We have to add something to x squared minus 6x in such a way that we can write it as x plus or minus something in parentheses squared. This looks complicated, but is very simple when you know how to do it. It's always the same. We just take the half of the coefficient of x and put it in this spot. So the half of negative 6 is negative 3. And negative 3 squared is 9, which comes in this spot. Again, this is the half of negative 6, and this is the half of negative 6, which is this, squared. So negative 3 squared is 9. The most important part is done. Now, x squared minus 6x plus 9 is x minus 3 in parentheses squared. To make sure that this is the same, we have to subtract the 9, because we can't just add a 9 to an equation. Negative 9 plus 11 is 2. With the distributive property, we get 2 times x minus 3 in parentheses squared plus 4. Finally, we have the vertex form. Where h is 3 and k is 4. So the vertex is 3, 4, and we're done with converting the standard form into the vertex form. By the way, if you want to verify this, you can multiply x minus 3 by x minus 3, or by knowing the formula a minus b in parentheses squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Let's do one more example for the sake of practice. F of x equals negative 3x squared minus 12x minus 15. I really encourage you to pause the video and try this on your own. We factor out negative 3 because x squared has to stand alone by itself. Negative 12x divided by negative 3 is 4x, and negative 15 divided by negative 3 is 5. Four divided by 2 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Negative 3 times x plus 2 in parentheses squared is negative 3 times x plus 2 in parentheses squared, and negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. And we are done with converting the standard form into the vertex form. Note that when we have plus 2 here, the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative 2, because minus negative 2 is positive 2. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.